YouTubers, it's Fortune Cookie 45 LC coming to you from the Hot Lead Zone, and today we're going to talk about BBs and CO2. So YouTubers, today we're going to look at the Daisy Model 200 CO2 BB pistol, semi-automatic. Has plastic grip stocks. You see this model is in very good condition. Loads BBs from a little port in the back. Just rotate this little lever out of the way and exposes the loading port. Pour in the BBs. Has a 5-round charger and it's semi-automatic. Here's the trigger pull. This pistol is about 30 years old, maybe 35 years old, and it's in good condition, ready to go. Now, in times of ammo shortage, our air pistols are a good alternative for going to the range. Sights are pretty nice. So let's go ahead and give this one a try on that target behind us over there. We're using a cardboard box with a heavy towel stuffed inside to stop the BBs. Now, to load a CO2 cylinder, we take off the left side grip frame, or the grip panel rather, and then install a 12.5 gram CO2 cylinder. Crank the punch-in lever until it just barely touches. Put the grip panel back on and then finish the job of punching the CO2 cylinder. And there it is. So YouTubers, after getting used to that trigger and getting used to the sights, this is a pretty fun pistol. We can go back a little farther and probably still be fine. But it's a BB pistol, so it's basically plinking accuracy. So YouTubers out there, take care, and we'll see you again.